I know, it sounds too good to be true. Today I am unboxing my recent paparazzi jewelry order. So just a little backstory on my relationship with paparazzi. Paparazzi is an affordable fashion jewelry line for women and men. Everything is $5. That's right, $5. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but yes, everything is $5. They sell earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They come in sets. They also have a line of men's jewelry for all the men we know and love in our lives. I have this really fabulous set that I purchased and I wore to a 1920s costume party, and it just looked fabulous and just made my whole look, and kind of, you know, was the cherry on top for my 1920s flapper girl look. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am a lover of everything big, bold, colorful, especially when it comes to jewelry, lipstick, clothes, my glasses. I just love pieces that really make a statement, hence statement pieces. But anyway, jewelry is, for me, kind of like my glasses, where it's an extension of my personality. I love colorful glasses. I have a video on here where I amped up a pair of my old tortoise frames to make them more fashion forward. They were inspired by a Warby Parker pair, but we are not here to talk about glasses. But I mean, come on, bright pink glasses. How many people do you know that wear or have super bright colored glasses such as these? Anyway, my glasses and my jewelry, they all help bring my overall look together. I have purchased paparazzi jewelry items before from other sales representatives. My mom recently began a new venture and new business with paparazzi, Faith's Fabulous Jewels, and she is now my exclusive paparazzi sales rep. So shout out to my mom for, you know, taking this step and doing something in pursuit of her passions and dreams. I will link her shop information in the description box below so that you can also show some support and get yourself a couple of really great jewelry pieces. I will link her information in the description box below so that you're able to order some of the pieces that I show you today, or, you know, just take a gander, look through her shop and see if anything sticks out to you and show her some support. Let's get into this unboxing. I haven't opened the box. As you can see, it's still sealed, closed, and right now we're gonna get right into it. So this is my recent order from Faith's Fabulous Jewels. The box is really cute, black and pink with a little, I don't know if you can really see it, but some fancy design on the side. But let's get into this unboxing. So I got my scissors here. Gonna cut open the tape on the box so you can see what we got in here. I can't remember what I ordered. It's been a couple of weeks. Oh, my hair. It's been a couple of weeks and shipping was kind of delayed due to the coronavirus, but the package has arrived and so we are going to open it. But immediately there's this cute, like, bubble paper with the paparazzi logo on the back. Not sure if I really care about that, but whatever. Gonna get into it. Inside the box there is some information on the return policy. If the jewelry does not work out for you, you can check the website for more information on that. Sorry about all the paper noise in the back, but I'm gonna get to the good stuff now. What you all are actually here for, the jewelry. So, first up, so orange is my favorite color. A lot of people always say orange is such a random color. True, it is a random color to have as your favorite, but I've always loved the color orange. And so naturally, when I saw these earrings, I had to get them. So these are, focus. So these are the orange and silver earrings that I purchased, and they are called the Stone Tiki earring on the site, and I'll be sure to link this down below. The second item that I ordered is called the Incan Eclipse gold earring, and I love this. I love a good dangle, a good dangly earring. But isn't that so pretty? It's a little bunched up. Let me loosen it up. But there you are. See? That's gorgeous. I love it. Can't wait to wear it. So, got this pair here. I'm super excited. I really like those. And they're very lightweight. I always worry with dangly earrings whether or not they're going to be too heavy for my earlobe because I don't want to stretch my hole. But these seem to be very light. But I will put that to the test once I try them on for you. My next item in the bunch is this set that I got. And again, all of this jewelry was $5. So I got this set here, and this is called the Desert Diviner. And it almost looks like the Incan earrings when it comes to the shape. So Incan and then the necklace. But this is the necklace, and it comes with just some simple dangly like silver earrings. And then here's a better look of the necklace itself. And it's so pretty, and I love it. I can't wait to wear this either. So the stone that's in the middle it's white. It's almost like a milky white. It looks kind of blue in the screen here, but it's like a milky white, or maybe it just looks blue to me in the camera, but it's like a milky white. Said that like 3 times now. Never mind. The next piece is a bangle. I love a good bracelet. This bracelet here, my good friend Dia in Chesapeake Bead made this for me, and then this I got from New York & Company on sale. But this bracelet here, because I love a good bracelet, is a cuff bracelet, and this is called the Total De-NILE bracelet, and look at that. The triangles. Like I said, it's a cuff, so it'll just slip on and slip off. And you just squeeze to adjust to your... Probably should have went ahead and opened up the box so that you didn't have to listen to all this crinkling. My apologies. I'll do better next time. So this bracelet here is called the Desert Empress, and it's another cuff bracelet. And oh, look at how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that is. $5, y'all. $5. And this piece that I got here, this last bracelet, is called the Desert Peaks bracelet, and it's another cuff bracelet. I really like a cuff bracelet or a bracelet that either has elastic or it's got like one of these open and closed so that I can easily put it on and take it off. Focus. Okay, here we are. So these are the pieces that I received, and I'm so excited, and I'm just going to do a really quick, try on for you so you can see how it looks. So here we have the first earring. And just look at that. It's so pretty. And it's very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on my ear at all. And I love it. Can't wait to wear it. I'm so excited. So I'll try on the next earring for you. My favorites, probably just because they're orange. So, or they have a little bit of orange in them. So this is the second earring. Again, very lightweight. I believe all of the Paparazzi jewelry is nickel free, so if you have any nickel allergies, you should not be affected. But look at that, it's so pretty. I love it. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the earring that comes with the necklace set, and I'm going to put on the necklace for you. So that you can see what it looks like. My necklaces that I have on for you. Take these off. Alright, so. I just love it. I love that it's big enough to just go over my head, and I don't have to be bothered with clasp. So that's a plus in my book. So I'm going to straighten that out, and then let me slide on this earring for you so you can see. And I really like that these earrings that come with this set are very simple. Give it focus, nice and simple. And here's the necklace, and it comes right about here, which is a little above my belly button. So it's a very nice length necklace. So I love that. And then, I'm not even gonna bother with the earring. The earring is just super light and I love it. I'm not even gonna bother with the earring. So I'm gonna show you the bracelets. So I usually wear my bracelets on my left arm because I am right-handed, and when I'm writing, I don't like the interference of a bracelet on my right arm when I'm writing. So I usually wear my bracelets on my left arm. So this is the first. Look at that. I love it, and I don't even have to adjust it. It slides on and it fits very nicely on my wrist, and I don't have to worry about it coming off, and I really like this. But look at that. I love it. I love it. And then I'm going to try on the next cuff for you. Wish this breathe would stay back, but here we are. So I'm trying on the next cuff. I really like this one. I'm definitely going to have to squeeze it a little, you know, to make it more secure around my wrist. But look at that. I love it. It looks nice with my sweater. I really like it. But I like this. I like it a lot. And lastly, I love this cuff. Look at that. Look at that. And I have the perfect pair of earrings that I bought from Paparazzi. Was it this year? Well, that I recently bought from another Paparazzi representative before my mom became a rep. But I have a pair of earrings that will go lovely with this, which is why I purchased it. So, yes. So, if you love jewelry as much as I do, but are not interested in spending a whole lot of money on said jewelry, give Paparazzi a go. Check out my mom's website. I'll be sure to link it down for you below. Let me know if you liked the pieces that I got, or if you too have ordered from Paparazzi, what are some of your favorite pieces? I would love to check them out and possibly order them and add them to my collection. But until next time, thank you for tuning in and thank you for rocking with me. Bye.